Okay, One Fit Mother friends, I'm going to do this as quickly as I can. I think some of you might have seen the video that Kira posted. No, it wasn't a video. It was a post about the Thieves cleaner that she did yesterday. And I just wanted to talk a little bit more about it because it's a really good deal this time. They've never reduced the price this much. It's normally $165 and now it's $125, and I just wanted to show you what was in the kit. So you've got your Thieves oil. This one I'm sure you've heard about. I diffuse it all the time, and I've also been putting a couple of drops of it in my mask when I go out. It's a big bottle, 15 mils. It should last you quite some time. You can put it on the soles of the kiddos' feet too, or make a roll it up your spine. That's what we do, as well as the diffusing. The thing I talk about all the time is the Thieves household cleaner. This one bottle will make 27 or 28 of these. If you are interested and you do sign up, then I will be giving you one of these. It's a custom Thieves bottle, but you'll get 28 of these from one bottle, and this kit has 2. So unless you're super insane about cleaning, this should last well over a year. The other thing that it has is the Thieves foaming hand soap. It has all the benefits of the essential oils, but I think this is one of the reasons why we've managed to stay so healthy, is that this is the only soap we use anywhere in the house. So I used to look after other kids. There were four classrooms worth of germs represented in my house every afternoon for over a year, and we were able to escape the lurgies, and I really think it's this and diffusing Thieves. The other thing, I should say, I don't use anything other than this Thieves cleaner. I use it to clean my floors, my kitchen, my counters. I spray it on myself, I spray it on the dog. If you do swallow it, it's not a great big deal. There's not likely to go to the poison control center. I make my own DIYs. This is just a paste, like a scrubbing paste. It works really, really well, and it's just Thieves and baking soda. You'll also get a couple of bottles of this hand sanitizer, and it doesn't dry your hands out, and it smells lovely. It's pepperminty, really nice. And then these little bottles, Thieves spray. I use this to spray my credit cards after I've used them. Once you've touched the keypads, when you're inputting your PIN numbers, good idea to spray your hands with this, car keys, anything. It's a little bottle, but it does last quite some time. And you also get your mouthwash and toothpaste. And this means that if you sign up for this, you are a Young Living member, which means that any future purchases are going to be at 24% less than retail. So it's a really good way to get started. I've not seen them reduce the price this much, and I know I talk about it a lot, I'm sorry, but I really think it's important for everybody. It's non-toxic. You can have your babies licking the floor. It's just got essential oils, lemon, rosemary, eucalyptus, clove, and cinnamon, and it smells like Christmas. So anyway, I hope you guys have a lovely afternoon, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.